Hi everyone, Ileane Smith here, and in this quick tip, I'm going to share with you how you can get more attention when you post on Facebook. So I hope you're ready for these tips. Now, this came about because I posted something on Facebook and people said, wow, that looks really gorgeous. How did you do that? So first, let me do a screen share of the wrong way to post something. And I actually did this, so I'm not picking on anybody. I made my own mistake here. Here in this post, I was talking about my podcast and how we were getting a new page on Google Podcasts. And I used a third-party tool, but that wasn't the problem. When I posted it, Facebook uses something they call the open graph, and they pull in an image. However, they crop that image the way they want to crop it. So the image can get cut off. Your messaging that you have in your image can get cut off. Your branding, like your logo, that could get cut off. If it was a picture of your face could get cut off. And it just doesn't catch people's attention because they're like, what's that? It looks like half of a post. So now let me show you the right way that you should, especially if you're sharing YouTube videos on Facebook, because Facebook doesn't really like you to share YouTube videos. Here's an example. In this post, you see that it's very high contrast, bright colors. This is the video thumbnail for a video that I just shared over on YouTube. I just want you to see how this gets attention because it's a nice clear image. You see exactly what the content is about. It's about Facebook Live polls. You see my branding there. See my little logo there at the bottom. So here's the order of how you craft that post. You want to upload your image first so that the Facebook open graph doesn't grab whatever portion of the image it wants to grab. And then you compose your text. Then you add a link. Don't forget to add the link. Add an emoji for some fun and add a hashtag for search. Okay, so I hope that tip was helpful to you. It's been your girl, Miss Ileane. Thanks so much for checking out this video.